Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, I know you can see by the big red box on the table here, we're going to take a look at something pretty cool from Kershaw. I wonder what we're going to look at. And yes, I know I'm a little late in filming this review, but I'll explain that after we roll that intro. Alright everyone, I'm going to take one moment and say thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now let's get a couple quick housekeeping things out of the way. If you like what you're about to see, go ahead and give me that big thumbs up. It's going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I'm going to take a moment here and speak directly to you. I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this one. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down here. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that thing, click on it, do whatever it takes to pull up subscribe. This is why you're going to want to knock that out the way early. I like to attribute this channel to kind of like a burning clown car. You're never ever sure what you're going to see, but it's highly amusing and sometimes really informational. Okay, guys, as you know, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw Showtime. Now, what I meant by in the opening that, I'm a little bit behind on filming this, I believe this was the January 2020 budget blade box from Poor Man's Preparing. So I am really behind on shooting this video. What I think is really cool about this, it's a Todd Rexford design, and as far as I know, I have never reviewed one of his blades, so it's cool getting a new blade and something from a designer you've never played with before. I love the way it looks, especially with the blade with the two-tone, how small and compact it is, and it fits kind of cool right in my hands. I mean, the pinky feels like it's hanging on for dear life at the end, but it's a comfortable enough grip that I don't have any issues with it. Now let's get into the fun parts here. Alright, it's got an overall length of 6.895 inches, the blade is 3, enclosed it's 3.875. Excuse me, that should have been overall 6.875. I think I said 9.5. Forgive me. Now, it's got a weight of 3.67 ounces. It's done in the drop point style. It's got a hollow grind with a plain edge. And what I really truly like is here on the blade, it's got that black satiny finish. So you have that two-tone on the blade that just seems to take it to another level with me. The blade steel, it's pretty good budget steel. It's not anything astronomical, but it's not anything really cheap. It's 8CR 13 MOV. You're gonna be able to retain an edge with it, but you're also gonna spend some time sharpening it, because when it goes, it just goes. I like 8CR 13 MOV. I've never really had an issue sharpening them up, so that's just me. Now, it's got a stainless steel frame with the black coating. I kind of like, I like how that overall looks with like the black and silver. I just really truly do. Now it's got frame lock and a flipper open, but the flipper open also has Kershaw's patented speed safe technology. You can only carry it one way, which is tip up, but you have a reversible pocket clip, so you could do it left hand, right hand carry. And yes, this one is made in China. The other thing I forgot, it does have a little bit of forward jimping up here, so you can really get in there and get a good feel for your blade when you have to do some up-close work. But that's not too bad. Okay, now let's do what we usually do and have some fun with a cut test. Now, if you're new to the channel, we usually only do 3. Alright, here's the first. Heavy-duty stock paper. Alright, it's not too bad like that. Now let's do the slow ones that we usually like to do. Not bad. It's getting those curly cues that I like. And I don't know if you can see that too well, especially with the new lighting setup. It picked up a little bit of paper, but it seems like it was shredding it as it was going, so that's not too bad. Okay, paracord. Simple pull test. Right through it. Now let's do a slice test. Not too bad. Let's go through 2. Not too bad. And yes, we have gotten a new ratchet strap. So our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap is back. Right through that. Okay, now as I usually do, I went out there looking, and I paid, I believe it was like 25 bucks plus $5 in shipping, so I got this for 30 bucks from the Budget Blade box. Over on Blade HQ, well, excuse me, I found it on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's going to run you $31.95. Over on Kershaw, it's going to run you $55.43. And Amazon has it for $33.35. Now, it's got 3 3/4 stars out of 5 over on Blade HQ with 6 reviews. 5 out of 5 with 13 reviews on Kershaw, and 4 out of 5 with 127 reviews on Amazon. Now, here's the fun part of this video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. You know, I really want to know, do you own this blade? Have you had successes with it? Have you had failures with it? I've been playing with it for like a month, and it's got, you know, some pretty fun to it, and it's got some great edge retention. I also want to know, do you think you use noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? Seriously, I'd really like to know. Because this thing has been a neat little carry for me. Great little choice, great little option. And Jason, man, thank you so much for putting it in the Budget Blade box. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, for you first-time viewers of the channel, once again, I want to say thanks so much for choosing this video. I'm very, very grateful for your view time, and hopefully I earned a lot more of it today. If not, thank you for the time that you gave me. Now, for you first-timers that didn't subscribe at the beginning of the channel, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, first question I have is why? Leave a comment down below what I could do to earn your subscription. Next up, take a look right down here. Okay, right down here in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. Now, if you've gone ahead and destroyed, you know, the subscribe thing, if you would like to, please knock out that bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. If you choose, you can select to have you be notified by YouTube every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, dude, will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they believe are a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Showtime. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.